good afternoon, good evening, or good morning, depending on where you live. If my name is Steel Striker, I forget if I put 56 at the end of my name again. And I am here because I am doing a little unboxing. Well, I already partially did. I just got in some speed loaders from evike.com, but I also ordered one of those mystery box things, it was a 99 one, so nothing too spectacular. Also, card 10 of hearts. That's a nice gun. Seriously, that's a nice airsoft gun right there. Before YouTube it's in a stink, this is from evike.com. You can't see too well. There it is. That's from evike. So let's see what this thing is. Made in Taiwan. AW Custom. Orange balance for paint parts. What am I looking at here? Yo. That's a CO2 gun. I don't know what this is, but I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Could it be a high kappa? Armorsworks.com. I don't know. But that's my first green gas gun. And seriously, that is nice. Ace, I'm just going to pause here for a moment and confer with my team here on what this is exactly.